Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. At the last position here we have the watermark option, so we can get quick access to it to turn it on and off by using this button, like that. We can also tap on the center and get access to more settings about it. As you can see, we have also this button, so let me keep this turned on now. We have quick preview here, so this is how the device watermark looks like. Samsung camera shot with my Galaxy Tab A7. We can also change the second line of this watermark, so here we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset. And done. And as you can see in the preview, the second line has changed also. So this is how it looks like now. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to show you how it looks like on the real one. And from here let's go to this button. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture and the watermark is here. So we have the device watermark with the custom one, Samsung camera with hard reset. And this is how it looks like. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the left, slide again to the useful features and use this button to turn this off. And also we can tap again on the center and use this button here. So for now this is turned off. When we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.